This is not my regular beauty video, but I'm here to talk about something related to food. I do understand I do not know much about it, but certainly did some research and have collected few of the items which have been really helping me out with my gut health. So let me show you. Huge bread lover. Apart from a sourdough bread, if you want to invest in a good quality bread, I would highly suggest you to go for this one. This is by the Health Factory Zero Maida bread. It doesn't have any kind of preservative. So this is the reason why I feel so light even after eating like 4 sandwiches. Already know I'm a huge Pan Asian food lover, so you might have seen a lot of rice paper rolls in my stories too. So I have been using these ones. You can see I have already finished one. This is my second one. This is the hazelnut spread by Butternut Co. And oh my god, this is so good. This is my second bottle. I got it from Amazon. Have any kind of refined sugar. It is vegan. It doesn't have any kind of dairy content, and it has been so good, and it is actually crunchy, so it is even more yummy. So whenever I used to post my soup stories, everyone used to ask me, how do you actually thicken up the soup? Because I do not use any kind of cream. To make it a lot more healthy, either you can use a tofu, and I am currently using this particular brand, Nutritional Yeast Flakes, 5:15 p.m. And I think I have so many products from this particular brand. So Shark Tank did influence me to buy this one by Repeat Good, and oh my god, I cannot tell you how good these are. You can see how much I've finished. The quantity is very less for the price point, but still I think it is way more healthy than your regular sauce. In particular, this is my favorite, and you know, this is actually tandoori mayo. It doesn't have any kind of dairy, anything. This is completely vegan, so I totally love these two, and even the imli chutney which I have. You already know how much I love food. I love cooking too, and whenever I make some rice item, I prefer to eat it with some sweet side dish. I prefer not the regular refined sugar, but I started to use this one by again 5:15 p.m. This is the monk fruit sweetener. The last one is an oral health product. This is actually a toothpaste. This is Close Up White Now, and I have been using it since around 1 week. Yeah, around 1 week. I also got influenced by a lot of influencer posting reels about this one. So I have been using this, and I can actually see a lot of difference. I'm like super terrified of dentist. I have got one root canal, and I still cannot forget those days of pain. Actually changed around one shade of my teeth since few days. At least it is balancing out all the yellowness. So yes, I would highly recommend for you to purchase this one. So I think that's that. I have almost covered everything. If you want more